Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley. If this is your first time here, make sure you do subscribe on the bottom of this page. Make sure you do follow me on my social media, Makeup Artist 27, and make sure you are liking the video and make sure you do click the bell notifications to get notifications when I do upload new videos. On today's video, what I'm gonna do is do a makeup using the Bombburger from Bombshell Cosmetica. Bombshell Cosmetica is a cosmetic line from Puerto Rico, and yes, I decided to buy it and try it out. It's cruelty free, which is good. And yes, we're gonna do a simple makeup. I'm gonna do like a little bit of like brown with a neon pop on the middle. Nothing colorful. Maybe I'll do another video using the palette as it is, with like colorful colors and stuff, but for not right now, I'm just gonna do something very simple because I am heading out, and yes, I can't do too much right now. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So first thing, I'm gonna prime my eyes with the Revolution palette, Revolution primer. It comes with a mirror, which I love, so we're gonna use this. Okay, so I'm just gonna use a little bit there, a little bit here, and we're just gonna use this as it is. Okay, and I'm just using a brush really to do this part. I think we are good to go. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna use there's no names on this palette, it's just blank. So there's like a lighter shade right there, and we're gonna use that shade. Sorry, I'm trying to look at the battery. Hopefully it doesn't die on me. It's recording. Yeah, it's recording. So I'm gonna use this lighter shade right there, which is like a brown, but it's not like that brown. And like I said, I'm gonna do something basic today, so I'm just gonna put it all over my eye, and then we're just gonna blend that real good. Same thing on the other eye. Slightly of the dark shade, a little bit, not a lot. Just kind of to put it like a little bit smoky type, but not. Like I didn't put a lot. I don't think you can even tell because I didn't put a lot. Alrighty, now I'm gonna use that neon yellow right there. Oops. I'm gonna use it to pop the inner corner. Like that. Same thing on the other eye. I just want to pop that neon. So now I'm just gonna prime my face. Using the first Sally. use the blur one too. this one is like, doesn't work on me. Like the I'm gonna finish the rest of the makeup and I'll be right back. I came back and I'm gonna just do the highlighter, the lips, and we are done, and mascara. So I'm gonna use the Cover FX. I'm gonna use this color right here, and I'm gonna put it on the brush, and then I'm gonna spray it as usual. We need a glow, baby. Like that. Same thing. And then put it on this side. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. A little bit on the nose, a little bit on here. For the lips, I'm gonna use this brown. And I use this lighter nude from CHULAS Cosmetics. CHULAS collaboration with ColourPop. For the mascara, I'm gonna use this the Falsies Push Up from Maybelline, which is amazing too. So I'm gonna use the Bobbi Brown eyeliner just to eyeline the bottom. Alrighty, so now I am set to finish it off with the Morphe setting spray. Go. Okay, guys. Well, guys, this is the final look. Very simple, very neutral with a colorful makeup palette from Bombshell Cosmetica. What is it? I think it's called Bombshell Cosmetica from Puerto Rico. So yes, I decided to use this palette, and as you guys saw it, it's very colorful. I can't wait to use it more, and I decided just to do something different and never do like makeup like this with a pop of color in the middle. So I decided to do that. And there's one thing I want to do before. I'm gonna use the brightener from the Becca and put it like right here. Just a little bit. I still want the yellow more. Alrighty, and that is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's very simple, very short makeup tutorial. I hope you guys like it, and if you liked it, make sure you do give it a thumbs up. I'm gonna put a poll right here so you guys can vote if I should do another look but with colorful. So yeah, guys, see you on my next video.